Good morning, everybody. This is Maria Dolan, Marketing Director for Carteret Mobile Park. Today we're looking at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath at lot H-14 in Carteret, New Jersey. This is 2-car parking if there's 2 drivers. You've got mail delivery right there at the mailbox. You've got a little patio. You've got a maintenance-free yard. It's all stoned. Pretty much you just have to weed it. This is the front step. It's fiberglass. And you've got garbage can with a lid and recycling with a lid for pickup in the street. And the monthly lot fee pays for the garbage, recycling, your water, your sewer. This house has central air conditioning. You've got a little shed. You can keep whatever items you want there. In the back, again, the back part of the house is maintenance free. You've got propane gas that heats the house and also used for cooking. That's your cable box in the back. You've got electric and your vent for your dryer. You've got outside water. This house fronts Blair Road, but it is in Carteret Mobile Park, which is a land lease community. There's some of your neighbors. And now let's take a look inside this house. It's a beautiful etched glass Anderson storm door. Here's your living room. The floor is vinyl flooring. It's in excellent condition. This house is a Champion Homes Redman division, and it is Energy Star certified. And there's a closet there in the living room. You've got a living room ceiling fan. All the windows are thermal pane windows. This area is called the impact area, the kitchen and the living room, and it's full drywall in this area. It's a beautiful sunburst front door. This house is in pristine condition. There's no nail holes or anything on the walls. It's a move-in condition. These residents have upgraded their refrigerator. That's a Samsung. Everything else is a Whirlpool. These are all wood cabinets with European pulls and adjustable shelves. Here you have a double stainless steel sink. Lots of shelving, lots of cabinetry. You've got this spring Carnival Formica top and the 4-inch Backsplash. Here's your single lever spout, your microwave, your stove, your dishwasher. This is called Timberwolf. It's like a gray-brown cabinetry. It goes great with the flooring. Here's an area for your table and your back door. So this house is 16 feet wide, and it gives you a lot more space in that area. Here is your 100 amp electric panel. Everything is marked and labeled so you can easily adjust whatever needs to be done. There's your programmable thermostat, and of course your fire extinguisher. By code, we have to have that in the house. Here's another look at the closet. Another look at the kitchen. Another look at the living room. See how wide this is? I've had people put desks in this area. So this is the laundry area. You've got both the washer and the dryer are included. And you've got cabinetry above those 2 appliances. And here is your 1 bedroom. It's a much wider sink and countertop. This is glass doors and a one-piece fiberglass shower stall with 2 seats. Behind the door, there's more linen space, more cabinets to store towels and any other bathroom supplies. Got a little window for ventilation. Got your commode and your cosmetic box, your framed mirror, LED lights throughout. Here is the bigger of the 2 bedrooms, the master bedroom. This is a king-size bed, so you see how it's quite large. This is your closet. In the back is the hot water heater. Super quiet, really insulated. These walls are papered, so it gives it a very neutral look and just really pretty. The look on this side of the bedroom. Both bedrooms are carpeted, and then the center of the house is vinyl flooring. Then going past the front door, you have the other bedroom. Here you have your furnace. It's a Miller furnace, and your heat and your air conditioning run through that furnace. Here's your second bedroom. And another closet. Both bedrooms have cable ready jacks. Also the living room. Take a look at the description in the show notes and how to purchase this house. First, you go to the website, you fill out the pre-qualifying questions, then we respond to you and we'll guide you right through the process. On our website, there's a lot more information about the process, about financing, about the lot fee, and a lot more information than you could possibly absorb, but I'll walk you through it step by step. Now we're going to run through a whole bunch of photos of the house, and we look forward to hearing from you. So start at the website. Here's your floor plan. So this house is built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building manufactured homes in New Jersey for 35 years. That's Robert Dolan in the center. There he is again. And he has all the accreditations and licenses to build and sell manufactured homes in New Jersey. This is the website. We have 3 locations in Carteret, Edison, and Egg Harbor Township. We have a wonderful crew. Everybody pitches in and helps out. We've got our construction crew. And this is a family business. There's 4 generations. The first generation has passed away, and then Robert and myself, and then our nephew and our son. This is a list of advantages I provide for purchasing a home from Dolan Homes. And we're proud to build in Carteret Mobile Park, in Carteret, New Jersey, in Middlesex County. This is a land lease community, and I provide the lease in an email so that everybody knows what's expected. There's a monthly lot fee. I have that listed on the website. This is the address of the office. We see everybody by appointment only. Our entrance is on Blair Road in Carteret, New Jersey. Just follow the signs, and when you get to the maintenance building, you'll see this, and you can turn in and follow the little signs that are posted on the lampposts. So this is the maintenance building, and it just shows you the arrows on how to get to the office. There's this picture of the office at the back door of the maintenance building, so everybody knows that this is not the office. So here's a little look at some of the homes in our community. Really quality, innovative, modern homes. We are at exit 12 on the New Jersey Turnpike, conveniently located, where there's a bus stop in front down into the downtown of Carteret, and then there's another bus stop that takes you straight to New York City on the Turnpike, the New Jersey Turnpike. There's also the Rahway train station that takes you into the city. We're conveniently located between the Turnpike and Route 9 and 1. We really pride ourselves on providing the American dream of home ownership. Beautiful manufactured homes. So start at the website, myhomeincarteret.com, and start the intake process. We can't wait to hear from you.